carry my love away to a place she loves.
You're going interesting. Thank you.
And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.